this is Hans, and it's time for yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is a show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we've got this Maruchan Gotsumori, which means big, Nagoya Taiwan ramen from Japan, and this is also out of a Zenpop box. You can go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code TheRamenRaider for a discount, and here we are. So this is a big one. This uses 530 mils of water, which is like disturbingly large. There's the noodle block. It's like bigger than it needs to be, folks. It's got a sachet here of solid ingredients that go in at the moment. And then it's got a couple more that'll go in after the moment. Post-moment. Oh. Well, that's cool. I thought it had chashu in it, and I really loathe using... there's only one variety that I like using their chashu in display, and that's the Nissen Rao. Generally, the other chashu is just... It's a tease. I mean, come on. It's just not. Yeah, it's like I love chashu. We roll our own chashu here, and it's really easy. Literally, all you need is a pork belly. Get some pork belly, roll it up tight, tie it up with butcher's twine. Get some salt and sugar, put it in a big old Ziploc bag and mix it up, and then shake and bake it. And then you throw it in the oven at 450 for 30 minutes. Rotate it once. Do it another 30 minutes at 450. Rotate it once. Do it 30 minutes at 250. Rotate it. And then another 30 minutes at 250. And you're done. And then what we do is we take it and we let it rest a bit, and then we throw it in the fridge overnight, and then we snip it all off, pull all the twine off, and then run it through a meat slicer and individually wrap in a Ziploc each slice. So when we were getting chashu at the big Japanese grocery store, we've got them in Wajimaya, in Bellevue, and in Seattle, and in Renton, and in Beaverton. But in their deli area, they had chashu, and it was really, really, really expensive. And it's just like, there's got to be a better way, right? So we found a better way was to make our own, and pork belly is reasonably inexpensive. Definitely compared to getting it at the store pre-made. It's just like a lot cheaper. And if you're making Japanese ramen, chashu is a must for, I would say, most varieties. The last one I did was chicken, so I didn't use any, but you can make chicken chashu too, and I have yet to do that. I think the easiest way to do that would be to take a couple chicken breasts, wrap them around so it's like a roll, and I don't know the next steps, because 450 it's not as greasy of a meat as pork belly, so I don't know how it would work out. I'll have to look into that more, but yeah, chicken is good. Chicken is good. But yeah, when you roll up meat, it does neat things, especially when you run it through a meat slicer. So what's going on? It's going to be another warm day. Going to go try to get a COVID booster for fun and for not getting sick again, because that really didn't go well for me or my wife. So hopefully they don't razz me about it. Well, you're not 50, you're not this, you're not that. I'm like, yeah, but I don't want to get sick. Come on. You guys keep sending me things. Get a booster. So I'm trying. But anyway, the next one I'll be doing is a tantanmen, which sounds really groovy. Spicy tantanmen. From the US, actually. It's from Myojo, USA. Spicy tantanmen. And it's refrigerated. But we're doing this one right now. This one's supposed to be spicy as well. That broth looks lovely. What a lovely broth, ladies and gentlemen. Let me let you see that. You'd probably like to see that. Wouldn't you? Don't you just want to look and gaze upon this broth? A lot of pieces of, I'm guessing that's either spring onion or long. It's a vegetable. I don't think it's wakame. Let's try the noodle. Generally, the Gotsumori, other than, I really like the yakisoba that they make in this line. But these bowls are just like, they do nice broths, but the noodles end up just being like meh. Yep, yeah. Nice deep looking broth. A little bit of spiciness. A little bit of mince with that. Not bad. So, yeah, 530 mils of water though. That's quite a bit. Usually, that's like Korean ones. Like Shin will have 550. But cups and bowls, yeah, that's a different story. It's so stark. That's what kills me. It's like, it could be so nice. I'm glad it didn't have its own chashu. So I can use mine. And that was baked using that method that I told you in the beginning of the episode. And I've also got an episode, or instructional videos on how to do it. So just look around the channel for how to make chashu. Easiest chashu recipe ever. Somebody got cranky with me once because I was just like, you're putting cold chashu in there. Who wants to eat that? So I got to thinking, okay, all right. I mean, I do listen to you guys from time to time, especially when you have a good point, and that was a good point. So that's why, because of that point and my wife being super cool and allowing me to have fire in the kitchen, come on. Oh, you didn't. Yeah, you did okay. You're all right there. You're a good egg. You know, I get to make more eggs. And in warm weather, making more eggs just really isn't like my favorite thing to do, but I'm gonna do it. Probably won't make a lot more. I'm going to be, I don't know, I guess I could make the same amount if I do reviews in the next couple days, next couple mornings. I don't know if I will. We'll see about that. Yeah, that is a large bowl of noodle. And why not? Here here's some shichimi. There you go. 2 down and it's only 9 a.m. I dig that. Enjoy. And there you go. Thanks for watching. Yeah. Well, it's not bad. Yeah. This, however, I'm really looking forward to. This is Myojo USA's Ramen Spicy Tantanmen Spicy and Creamy Sesame flavor. Coming at you tomorrow. This has been Oz the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.